See this? This is all it takes for a full load with Smartech detergent. Smartech is a liquid detergent specially made for automatic washing machines. It dissolves instantly and cleans deeper without needing extra product.
That's important. Powder detergents often leave deposits, but Smartech keeps the machine cleaner and running smoothly.
And look at the results. Stains are removed, whites look brighter, and colors stay exactly how they should.
I've noticed that. The clothes feel fresh and the colors stay safe even after repeated washes.
Smartech is strong on dirt, but gentle on your clothes and your washing machine.
That makes it perfect for everyday laundry, even delicate items.
It's gentle enough even for baby clothes, with a biodegradable and skin-friendly formula.
That gives real peace of mind, especially for families.
Here's the real win. You use less liquid per wash and still get better results.
So one bottle lasts longer, and you save more every month.
Fewer refills, lower monthly spend, and better value in every bottle. If you want smart cleaning, fabric care, and real savings, Smartech fits perfectly into your routine. A product of TCL GCC, Smartech liquid laundry detergents. Scan to order now from www.tclgcc.com.